see than can ever be seen, more to do than can never be done. There is far too much to take in here, more to find than can never be found. But the sun rolling high, and that sapphire sky keeps great and small on the endless round. Sing it! Thing, you guys look like you're pretty alive. Thank you for staying with us. Did we enjoy all our performers? Miss Saigon, Bands Visit, Leah Michelle, Alan Cumming. We've been so lucky to have all of them. I want to give a special shout out to Kenny and Adam, who are rocking it with Maria's Crisis over there. Thank you for singing along and for being here. This is such an important time for all of us to come together and celebrate life and celebrate each other and music that we love. So thank you for being here. Let's have a good time. Sing it! And it moves us all, despair and hope, from faith and love, till we find our place. To Whoa.